This is part 2 in the admin videos, and we're going to discuss the authenticated homepage. As mentioned in the previous video, this is the visitor homepage, and we're going to go ahead and log in. Now, at the top, we do tell you never use your network password on KASM. And we feel that intruders like to target network passwords and network servers. So since you're going to have some potential intellectual property on here for your company, we feel that it's best practice to keep those passwords separate. So let the intruders target your domain controllers and your LDAP servers all they want. So we'll log in with admin, and you can get the password from the install.readme file as mentioned in the previous videos. Once you log in, you're going to be presented with the authenticated homepage. Now, we try to set this up so that once you log in for the first time, it's going to kind of not really walk you through, but present you with some typical scenarios with what you're going to have to do anyways in your daily IT organization. So this is kind of a framework, but yet you can use it or don't use it, but it's to show you how it might be used and at the same time get you used to using the IT KASM. So in the top, we've got my tasks that we've defined for you. So you have to personalize KASM, update the home page, and update the visitors page. Now the neat thing about this cave is, this is a task mine, and the cave gives us the ability, and this is the power of IT KASM, it gives us the ability to create this cave for a specific person that logs in, so they only see what is pertinent to them, or you can have it list for everybody. You can also have just 3 tasks, or you can list all the tasks. Completely up to you, completely flexible. Other things on this page to help you get started is this support tools, the red cave. This is basically a list of resources that will help you get to these items quickly. Your ticketing system, your monitoring systems. You point these directly to your instances that you have installed. If you have a list of dashboards that you need to get to quickly, you can list them here. Network devices, maybe F5s and Junipers to get to their consoles, you can put them here. Great thing about this is you hire somebody new, they don't know where to go, they don't know what to look at. You tell them, yeah, go look at the F5 over in data center XYZ. They're not going to know how to get there. They can quickly come into the IT KASM and get there fast. You can add vendor support websites or any other resource that you want to list here, you can add into it. So we made a quick cave here so that to show you what can be done and how you can use it. The one below it, the vendor help desk support. This is a very cool tracker. So this tracking mine is a list of your vendors. And I'll go into it really quick because there's a lot of fields here. And if you use this keyword support, and as you enter in or upload all of your vendors into it, the neat thing is when you build this cave, you can define in the cave a search pattern. And if we use that support search pattern, then it'll list the support phone numbers for every one of our vendors that we have defined in it as a support contact. Again, the power of IT KASM. It's very cool stuff. So the next one is the asset mine. Now, in the asset mine, when you ran the installer, we grabbed the KASM server the server that you built KASM on, and we automatically put in at least one asset for you. So in my instance, this is the server that I built KASM on to show you these videos, and it's already started populating all the information I need to. I'm not going to go into the asset management piece. There's a lot of fields here. A lot of this can be automated if you choose, but I want to go over just bits and pieces here just to show you what we've done and to get you started. Operational activities. You haven't done anything yet. There's no events that have taken place, but it would be listed here. If we look up top, there's a journal. Now the cool thing about the journal is if we go into the journal, you can make an entry that says Just rebooted KASM, the IT KASM. Okay, and you can share that information with everyone. And when you share it, not only does it log it for yourself, but it'll put it into the operational activity. So now when everybody looks at this operational activity, they say, oh, okay, the admin just rebooted IT KASM. Now, if this was a user, it would tell you exactly who the person was that rebooted the IT KASM. So going back to the journal real quick, the nice thing about this journal is that as you make your private entries throughout the day, you don't have to share them with everyone. The cool thing is when your manager comes to you at the end of the week and says, what have you been working on? You can quickly just cut and paste or export it into an Excel spreadsheet, exactly all the things you've been working on, send that off to your manager, and you're done. If you want to pop this journal out, you can pop it out into another window, and you can leave this up in the corner of your screen, of your monitor, and just make your one-line entries really quick so that you can get them into your journal fast. So that's both the journal and operational activities. Anything you do in the asset management, if you add a vendor, when you define your mines, you can tell the mine any input, any updates, any changes. I want it to be outputted into the operational activity so everybody knows what's going on. And lastly, what we put here is a knowledge base link so you can understand how the knowledge base works. You can go in. This is just a quick one that points to the IT KASM support page. But we wanted to give you that just to get you started. So the next video that we're going to do is based on settings and configuration. And this concludes the part 2 of Authenticated homepage. Thank you for watching.